Hi, welcome to our Learning Studio Zone. This is me, Sudais Ahmad. Today I'm going to discuss an important and basic branch of linguistics, that is phonology. Phonology. Phonology is the basic and second important branch of linguistics that study the structure and systematic pattern of sound in a language. Phonology refers to the mental or abstract aspect of language rather than the physical or actual articulation of speech sound in a language. So, phonology refers to a description of sounds of a particular language. Like for example, we can say that the phonology of English language, phonology of German language, or phonology of Urdu language. For example, in English we have two different words, machine and mechanism. But in these two different words, we have the two same alphabets, CH and CH. But here in machine, the CH provide us the sh sound, but in mechanism, we have the k sound. So phonology helps that how the sound pattern of a language will be, that why the sound pattern in machine and mechanism is different. So phonology helps in the sound pattern of a language. Phonology has two different branches, segmental phonology and suprasegmental phonology. Segmental phonology. Segmental phonology is simply the segment we means to divide into different parts. Like we have divided the sounds in consonant sounds and vowel sounds. Moreover, we have divided the vowels and monophthongs, diphthongs, and triphthongs. So simply we can define the segmental phonology as the study of individual sound in a language, like the sound of letter we means the phonemes, and how they work together to make words. It is all about understanding how these sounds are used and organized in a language. Segmental phonology focuses on the analysis of pattern of vowel and consonant sounds as well as their allophonic variation and interactions. Suprasegmental phonology. Simply we mean it that the study of musical aspects of sounds like the stress and intonation etc. Which word will be stressed and which word will be remain unstressed. So simply we can define suprasegmental phonology as the study of features or characteristic of speech that extend beyond the individual sounds, speech sounds or segments. It includes the aspects like stress, intonation, rhyme, tune, etc. So simply we can say that it is all about the structure and expression of speech. All these features play a crucial role in conveying meaning and emotion in spoken languages. Importance of phonology or why we study phonology. So phonology helps us in understanding speech sounds, that how speech sounds are produced and perceived by humans. Language acquisition. Phonology helps in playing a crucial role in how children learn to speak and understand their native language. Communication clarity. Phonology ensures clear communication by providing rules for the producing and interpretation of speech sound accurately. Accent reduction. Phonology aids in reducing accents by teaching individuals that how to pronounce sounds specific to their targeted language. Language teaching and learning. Phonology is essential for language teachers and learners to improve pronunciation and comprehensions. Psycholinguistics. Phonology contributes to the study of how language is produced, processed in the brain, aiding in understanding cognitive process related to the language. Speech therapy. Phonology is fundamental in diagnosing and treating speech disorders, helping individuals overcoming communication challenges. Linguistics research. It serves as a foundation for linguistic research, enabling scholars to study language variation and change over time. Cross-linguistic comparison. Phonology allows linguists to compare and contrast the sound systems of different languages, leading to insights into linguistic diversity. Preservation of oral tradition. Phonology contributes to the preserving oral tradition by documenting and analyzing the phonetic feature of spoken languages. Hope you will have got the idea about phonology and different branches of phonology, the segmental phonology and suprasegmental phonology. We will discuss the remaining branches of linguistics in upcoming lecture. So do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more videos.